We'll be climbing to more than 12,000 feet today to a lofty point called Bridge of Heaven. And our trail starts at 9,300 feet.
I can feel how thin the air is. Regardless of the shape I'm in, I know that I'm gonna be huffing and puffing.
The hike starts off in an aspen grove. The sound of wind rustling through aspen leaves just says Colorado.
I love these trees, man.
Aspens are one of the few deciduous trees that can thrive in the snow and cold of high altitudes, thanks to some special adaptations.
What's so cool about aspens is the fact that they have all these individual trees, but they're all really connected by roots underneath the surface. When one certain tree or region of the grove has a need, they will actually sort of communicate and send water to that specific area.
Things like that are just absolutely fascinating. I mean, we look at trees as just kind of these inanimate objects, but they are so complex.
We've yet to see any wildlife, but there are signs that we're not alone out here.
Some sort of an animal made this mark, and to me, it looks like what a bear might do.
We're on alert for black bears. There are 10 to 12,000 black bears in the state of Colorado, and in a giant, vast wilderness like this, prime habitats.
Black bears use trails through forests and mountains just like we do, and for the same reason, it's easier.
Hey, bear.
As long as we make enough noise so the bears can hear us coming, they'll typically get off the trail to avoid us.
Here's the kind of mark you never like to see in the wild.
The saddest part of all this is this mark will last for the entire life of this tree. It's a shame.
Colorado's public lands get more than 40 million visitors every year. To help protect people and the wilderness, visitors are encouraged to practice leave no trace, with guidelines like stick to the trails, trash the trash, be careful with fire,
and one that would prevent things like this, leave it as you find it.
Really, what you're doing is you're scarring this landscape and you're impacting the experience that other people will have out here because no one likes to look at that.
By leaving things as they are for the next hikers, for the next generation, you're preserving this pristine wilderness. And that is a much bigger deal than your initials. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure to leave any questions or comments that you have.
And please subscribe to the channel. There's a lot more to come.